Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a journal with me and it's probably going to be the last one in this journal. I have a few more pages to fill and then I'll be ready to do a full flip through of this journal. I'm sharing the previous pages I created of Tewkesbury Abbey because we visited a National Trust after this and that's what I'm going to be documenting today. So we visited Bredon Barn in the afternoon after having spent the morning in Tewkesbury. There is a video up on my channel sharing how I created those pages. I'll link it below for you in case you haven't seen it. I know I want to cover up this book page, so I went through my scrapbooks to see what I could find. I really like this scrapbook paper. It was pulled out of a completed journal and it was a page that was never used and I didn't want it to go to waste. It has a lovely floral pattern to the edge of the page, which was created using a flower punch. I've just used a pencil to mark where I want to trim it down, as it's too large to fit in my journal, but I'm figuring out how much I want the tab to hang over the page. I ended up trimming more off than I would have liked, and I realised that if I stuck the scrapbook paper down on top of the book page, the floral pattern would be slightly lost, as the book page was a light colour. It would be a lot more difficult to see. I really wanted some colour peeking through the punched out pattern, so I decided to add some green washi tape to the book page so that when I stick the scrapbook paper down, the green colour peeks through. I'm not sure how well you will be able to see it on camera, but it's definitely more noticeable in real life. So I'm just using my Tombow Mono Multi Glue to stick the scrapbook paper down onto the book page. I'm using this wide washi tape down the centre of the page and it's just going to help that scrapbook paper stay stuck down and not lift back up. And this washi tape is by the brand MT. I'm just having a quick play with the photos, but I also had this vintage book page. It's from a children's dictionary book and I found the word barn, which I thought would work really well because we visited a place called Bredon Barn. So I'm just having a play and seeing which page it looks best on. So the page to the left is a paper bag pocket and it's currently got a receipt in it from the previous pages. So I'm just figuring out where I like it. I have trimmed it down to size so it will fit on either page. And I really like how it looks on top of the scrapbook paper with the two pictures of the barn by the side of it. So I'm just going to use my glue stick to stick it down on top of the scrapbook paper. So I like to use double-sided tape on the back of my photos because it's nice and strong. And the photos that I'm going to be sticking down are pictures of Bredon Barn. The first photo is the outside of the barn and then the dark photo underneath is inside the barn. And what I really liked about this place is that we were the only ones there. We had the whole place to ourselves, so that was really nice. And then the photo that I'm adding on top of the paper bag pocket is a picture of the driveway up to the barn. It had this beautiful autumn coloured tree. So I've just got a couple of playing cards here. I wanted to see if they would work with the page, and as much as I liked them, I just didn't feel like they worked with the page. So I'm trying some ledger paper here because I want to try and do some journaling. This little plastic box has all of my crepe paper 12 by 12 cut apart sheet pieces in there. So I'm just going through them and seeing if there's something that might work for the top of the page. I could have written straight on the paper bag pocket, but I wasn't sure how it would take my pen, so I end up writing on one of these journal cards. So I did my journaling off camera, and I chose this journal card because I thought it fitted better with the page. And again, I'm just using my Tombow Mono Multi Glue for this. I really like the leaf design in the background of that journal card. And I'm just adding the paper clip back onto the page. It was securing something on the previous page. I pull out a couple of washi tapes to decorate these pages, and I use a green thin washi tape on this page, and I use the yellow washi tape on the opposite page. I'm not sure where the green washi tape came from, but I know the yellow one is an MT branded one. I decided that the yellow washi tape was a little bit too thick, so I end up cutting the pattern in half. And I'm just using it to create a border or a frame around the photo. Now all the main bits and pieces are down on the page and where I want them, I'm just going to go in with some stickers to finish off the page. And I wanted to use some alphabet stickers to spell out the word Breedon for Breedon Barn. And I chose these alphabet stickers. These ones are from one of the crepe paper collections, and I really liked all the different colours on these ones. I'm just going through some other stickers, and I find this little truck which I thought was super cute, so I'm just finding a place for it on the page, and I really like it in between the photo and my journaling. I really wanted something else on the opposite side of the children's book page, so I ended up using some more alphabet stickers and spelling out NT for National Trust. And I'm just going in with my pen and writing the date we visited Breedon Barn. And the final thing I do is add a little heart sticker in between both of these photos. And these are the finished pages. It's a pretty simple spread, but I really like how the pages turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching these pages come together. Here is a closer look at some of the details. I hope you're all doing really well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.